Hi everyone, I am Waela Adura, a fine arts student at University Muhammadiyah of Makassar. I love exploring creativity through colors, shapes, and different forms of art. Nice to meet you. I think English is very important language. I study English as one of my courses at university. It is not just about getting good grades, it helps me improve my skills and understanding. English is also a helpful tool for communication. It allows me to talk with people from other countries, learn from different cultures, and explore art from around the world. In the future, I hope become an artist or a teacher. I believe English will help me explain my ideas, join art exhibition, and connect with others in the global art community. Even though I'm not from the English department, I still want to be a good example. As a fine art student, I want to show that we can also use English to support our work and express ourselves confidently. I believe English can help us grow as artists and individuals. Keep on growing step by step. Thank you for watching. You're the best.